Okay, quick shout out to Tamiya RC for sending me this 110 scale Hummer RC from their company, free of charge. Shipping was included by them. The Hummer is a 110 scale. It has an all-metal drivetrain, all-metal frame and chassis. The upper brown body is all that's plastic on it. Now, mytrickrctruck.com sent me a LED light bar on top and a bunch of other LED lights, plus a controller board for them as to do a review and demo with. There will be a much longer video on YouTube to explain all this, but there are two LED strobes, one here and one on the other side right in here. And then on the back there are two more. But anywho, the back ones I had to drill myself. But this is with all the lights, not including the bar on top. It has tail lights, turn signals, brake lights, and backup lights, and full sound incorporated in it. Give me a second. I will open up the hood with the little latches, and I will turn on the actual bar strobe. And again, there will be a much more in-depth video that I'm going to be logging online shortly that I've already recorded. I just got to get it out there for everybody. Now, let's see if I can do this with my damn fingers. Okay, and that's with both the light bar on top and all the strobe lights on the rest of the vehicle. Pretty damn cool, I gotta say. So, oh yes, and there is a little audio thing. I'll start the engine real quick, and then I'll play the little siren thing that I have it set up for. And then we have the siren.